Okay, ladies and gentlemen, on this page in Moodle, now I was yesterday thinking it doesn't say Moodle anywhere. So when you go down, in the end, I saw this word but today I don't see it. Yesterday I could see the word Moodle down there somewhere. Anyway, whatever it is Moodle. And so they say that their goal is to share experiences from statistical consultancy that highlight how the current trends toward data science reinforce the importance of applied statistical skills with introducing new opportunities and data sources. So in fact, they are not negating statistical skills. They are actually saying that they'll be you know, they are important, and this will reinforce the importance of these statistical skills. These workshops are intended particularly for participants who aim to become or to train future statistical consultants. Through the five workshops, we expect participants to recognize that the growing importance of data science reinforces this root. Now, in Pakistan, we pronounce this word root, and in America, they pronounce it route. So I don't know how you pronounce it in UK or in the Philippines or in Turkey. Enriqueta, how do you pronounce this word?
We pronounce it as root.
Okay, good. I'm happy. We also pronounce it as root.
Yes.
So, okay. So okay. So, while extending the skills needed to include emerging data sources which bring new analytic tools. Okay, now where do we want to go other than this thing that they've written? A unified approach based on data. They're explaining what they're going to do. I think the five workshops. No, I think this is for all of them. I think a presentation on being statistical consultants, time for participants and facilitators to introduce themselves while learning about the Moodle site. A presentation on is data science unifying approaches to working with data. An interactive session where participants start working with data. Sharing of experiences with highlight the importance of adaptability and objectives. In the next one, which is coming up, they are going to get us to do things. We are not going to just listen. We are going to actually do things. Q&A for a unified approach based on data. Should we look at this one? What do you think? We have like 10 minutes more to look at this Moodle and to try to get familiar with it to some extent. So this one, when you click on it, you get this. This forum provides a space for participants to ask questions or to make comments for the topic discussed in the first session. Whatever they did in the first session, they want us to put questions here. So where exactly do I have to type? If I were to put a question here, where do you type? Please, I would like people to respond and to, I don't want to be talking myself only. So please tell me, where am I supposed to type? I don't know. Can somebody help?
Madam, if you, can I?
Please.
Madam, if you click on the discussion, then it will create a string in which we can type or...
You see, this is exactly what I did. I did click on discussion and the arrow was upward, but then when I clicked on it, the arrow went downward. But then where is that space? Where is it? I don't know. Where is it? I don't know. I don't think I can. Announcements.
Okay.
Can anybody tell me?
Yes. I was able to do it.
So where can you share your screen, please? I'll stop share. Okay, I'll stop. I'll stop sharing my screen. Can I do that? How do I get to do that? Now I don't even know how to get to do that. Okay, now I see it. I'm stopping the screen share. Now, please, Enriqueta, can you share your screen?
Okay, I clicked this one, QA, can the stock questions be improved? And I went to this here. I clicked this. Can the,
Okay, but
under discussion, I click discussion, and then you have the question, can the stock questions be improved?
okay,
And then this
all
came
right.
out.
So where do you put the question now? If you have a question, where will you type that?
Supposedly, we have to reply to.
I don't think there's any space to
Here, we have to click reply if we want to answer
okay.
this. Yes.
Okay.
There. And then you write
Okay.
your, you
Finally.
can type here. You can
Okay,
type
all right.
your reply if you want to say
Oh.
anything about this.
Okay. So why don't we just proceed with your screen for the moment? And can you read this? What exactly is it saying here? Could you read it
This
aloud?
one, yes. Do you hear me?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes. So the question posed here is, can the stock questions be improved? And there is an introduction here. It is slightly unusual for one of the resource persons to ask the first question. It is intended mainly for the experts who have adapted CAST exercises and tests to be used with the stock system. There is a short paper that shows the CAST exercises as they were used 10 years ago. I suggest CAST as a feature that is an improvement on the stock questions that were provided in the first workshop. My question is whether this feature could be added to the stock questions. In CAST, there is a book of exercises as well as a system for testing. In the exercises, the user is invited to check whether their answers is right. They can try multiple times, getting feedback each time and on the same sheet. They can also click the tell me button to get the answer. Then they are invited to try a new data set. So I think these ones here are examples, and we have to click this link because there's a question here. Am I right? If so, would it be possible for a stock system to be added that emulates these extra features we have in the CAST exercises? So if we want to reply to this question, we just type here. We type our reply here.
Okay, thank you for that. But let me tell you that there are many people, including me here, who are neither familiar with stack nor with cast. So first we need to understand what is stack and what is cast.
Yeah, same with me. I was just reading it, but I'm not familiar.
Okay, I thought maybe you are familiar because we're reading with so much,
Yeah,
so
but
nicely.
I remember the CAST is found in the internet, computer assisted statistics textbooks resource.
Okay, all right.
Yes, and there is a click.
Okay.
We can click on that, and there is a link to it. It's an open resource.
I see. Okay, thank you for that. And stat must also be something okay.
So this is CAST. I check. Am I still sharing? Right. That yeah. I think this is the one.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Sure.
Sorry for interruption. Let me tell you, we have 10 minutes and our 10 minutes session will be break, and we need to rejoin by using the same link I have sent to you.
Okay. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, as soon as this expires, we will click on that same link again, please. Thank you. So, okay, then license and copyright acknowledgements about the author using CAST. CAST was originally designed to run within a web browser, but changing technology now means that the CAST applications must be downloaded and run locally on your own computer. Would you like to click on download? You've done that.
Yeah, click it, and we will choose whether our computer is Windows, Mac, or
okay. Yeah.
So I'll choose Windows.
So, my operating. Yes, mine is also Windows. So let's see this demonstration. I'm sure that I'm quite sure that they will be using it, I think, in their workshop. Okay, so now down on the bottom left, I can see this thing is downloading, I think. Okay.
Yes, it's downloading just like a computer program, and then you can open these 3 books and do the exercises.
There are 3 books here.
I think so. There are 3 books. That's how I
Okay.
vaguely remember. I have downloaded them, but I have not gone into them.
Okay.
But this is how you download, just like a program. You do it
Okay.
downloading.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now it says open file.
Yeah,
So-
open and click, and then you will be able to install it.
So it's now installing in my computer.
Yeah, you will have a icon on your desktop like this star, which you will click, then open the books, you know, for doing the
Okay. Okay.
exercise. Yeah. It's just like it's a local small program probably, which contains these books.
Okay.
So I'll just click next here.
I think you just keep clicking next and you'll get it.
Yeah.
I think
Now
I
you
have
have
to
to select a
find a
folder.
destination. I have
Yeah.
to find a destination directory. Let me just put it in my documents first.
Okay. Okay.
Do I need to stop sharing, or you want to see this after I have installed?
I think it's all right. We can see.
Just let me know if you want me to stop sharing. I
In
think
the meantime,
other-
anybody has any questions up till this point, or any comment or anything, please go ahead as we watch this thing happening, which is something positive, because I'm sure those books must be quite useful.
I think the other
I would like to look at those books. Yes. Yes.
I think the other concern is also installing the R program in our laptops.
And Ms. Baliga, who's right here, she has been communicating to me that she's having problems with R. Baliga, can you share exactly what is the problem?
Dr. Sagar?
Yes. No, I can't hear you now.
You are muted. She is
you got
muted.
muted. Yes.
Oh.
You have to say it again.
The problem is that I am able to download the file, install it also, but when I try to run it, they say the software is not compatible with your computer or with your laptop. Sometimes I tried the 34, then I tried the 62. Both times I get an error. So maybe I don't have enough memory to download this program.
I think Dr. Wasim can help you with this. Dr. Wasim, do you have any idea why she's getting this problem? Because he's quite an expert. Dr. Wasim, can you please respond? Yes.
Yes. Let me check and I will.
Okay, I will stop sharing if he wants
Okay.
to share.
No, not immediately. I think he's not sharing immediately. I think he said that he'll look at it and then. But can you, in fact, just show us the books that you got?
Okay, I'll check first because I could not see it on my screen, but I said I put there that it is saved in my document file folder. So I'll check my document folder because I didn't really see it on my screen yet.
Okay, okay, all right.
You must have an icon. You must have an icon.
I have it here. Yes, yes. I see it now as
Could you share the screen again?
Yes, yes. I see it as a folder in my documents, cast books, and here's the license and the core. Okay, so these are the folders. I'm not familiar with this, so I will just check on the pages first, maybe. Or is there another way to do this? Or is it the book? Maybe this one.
No, 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 no. I
No?
think you should have got an icon on your desktop. And if you click on that star, the red star, then you will go into this and then it will open. You can't open it like this.
Just
Okay,
look at
I'll
your
check
desktop. Are you
I'll
getting
check
an
my
icon?
desktop.
Look
Yeah.
at your desktop. You have a
My
star.
desktop, yes. My desktop is
Oh,
still
it's
very.
full. It's
Yes,
full.
yes. I see it now. I see
Oh,
it
yeah, that's the
here.
one. Yeah, click that.
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
Yes. My
Oh,
desktop
thank
is
you very
still
much,
very
Dr. Vass.
busy.
You've been very
Okay,
helpful
thank
Yeah,
you.
now there are books, you know, see exercises,
Okay,
books.
okay,
And,
okay.
yeah.
Yes, thank you very much.
Could you click on the introductory ones first? Okay, introductory biostatistics, introductory business statistics, introductory statistics, and then exercises. And then could you now click on the advanced ones,
Can we just choose
or
the
just
general
open one?
statistics?
Yeah. Yes, open, please do. And Dr. Wasim, I suggest that you can have a small session with Ms. Baliga on Zoom, and after this one, and then you can try to sort out why she is not able to install R.
But probably there is also an option for 32 bits instead of 64. Maybe if she does 32, maybe she is able to run it on her computer. Because the computer,
Okay.
it's her laptop problem rather than the program.
It's a laptop, I think. Ms. Baliga, is your computer a 32-bit one or a 64-bit one?
Dr. Sajan, I'm not very good with these things. I don't know which computer I have.
Okay. So I think I will request Wasim to, he can have a session with you, a small session, and he can help you with this.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much. Thank you. All right. So, Enriqueta, you have opened this book.
Yes,
So
this
it
is the, welcome to the
introduction about data, one numerical variable, two numerical variables, time series, categorical variables, multivariate data, sampling and variability, designed experiments, estimating parameters, testing hypotheses, comparing groups, regression, inference, and independence. Not bad. And if you please, could you click on the very first one, the introduction about data? So in a wide range of professions, decisions are required and conclusions must be reached about alternative courses of action. Data must be, sorry, Amir Rahman is saying that he is having some connectivity issue. So can you please